business solutions. Make streets become reality. Learn business strategies. On living the boss life, yeah.
Hi YouTube, this is Dr. Victoria Sheffield. I want to welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Do me a favor, if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notifications on. That way the next time I do another video, you'll be notified. Now if you like this video, do me a favor, at the end of the video, give it a thumbs up and share this video out on your social media platforms. Do me a favor, share it with a friend. For those of you all that do not know me, I am a 30-year entrepreneur. I am also a 19-year direct sales representative. I have over 20 publications. I am also a publisher. One of the things that I'm really passionate about is helping people to live their best life by motivating them to be who God have called them to be, with a strong emphasis on entrepreneurship. With that set in mind, today in this video, I'm not going to be before you long, but I want to share 3 basic principles that I live by and that I truly believe are things that I do daily and have done for years that have helped me be successful, and I believe that these are things that will help you become successful too. So the first thing I want to recommend that you guys do is to be consistent. Be consistent. You know, what we put into something is definitely what we will get out of it. If we put a little bit in, we're going to get a little bit out. If we do the hard work that it takes consistently, we will achieve and we will be successful. The next thing I want to recommend that you guys do is be determined. Determination is something that we all need. Listen up, guys. Life is gonna happen, right? But I always love to say, when life gives us those lemons, let's just take it and make the best lemonade that we can. After all, regardless of what we may be faced with in life, we still have to earn a living for ourselves, right? We still have to put food on the table. So think about this. It's not about how many times a man gets knocked down that's important. What's important is the fact that he was determined enough to get up and get going, okay? The last thing I wanted to share with you all is to be professional, right? Professionalism is key. It means everything. You all offer the best customer service that you can. So think about that. What can you guys do to make your shopping experience with your clients one of the best that they ever had, one of the most memorable experiences that they ever had, an experience that will make them be return clients? What can you do to be different, okay? Maybe when they're placing orders with you, you're sending out thank you cards. You know, maybe you have a birthday club that you have them to sign up for, and you send them out birthday discounts on their birthday or for other special occasions. You know, I'm just thinking of a few things out of the top of my head. But think about what you can do that's different from others, that you can stand out of the crowd, right? Think about it, you guys. It's going to take every effort, a lot of hard sweat, a lot of getting up every day, even when you don't see the money there. So that's another thing, another key that I'm going to leave you guys with today. Be passionate about whatever it is that you are doing when you don't see the money, when you don't see the supporters. Love what you do enough and have faith in God enough to know that if you keep working consistently, determined to get where it is that you want to go, that after a while you will succeed. And sometimes it does take years. Let me warn you guys, not everybody is an overnight success. You know, some people can do it in a year, but for some people it takes them a while to build. But remember this: if you build your business, the client will come. With that said in mind, I want to thank you all so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. If you're ever in need of coaching sessions, I am available for 45-minute to 1 hour sessions. I'll leave all of my information below. Do me a favor and visit my website at sheffieldbusinesssolutions.com. And you all have a blessed and a prosperous day. And don't forget to make each and every day and every moment count. Okay? Bye now. Take care.